Hi, just a little update from the dashcam fitting. As you can probably remember, I had the wire coming from here along there and then above here and then going into this bit of trim here and then down this rubber. But as you can see, I've had another little fiddle. I managed to tuck it in there, goes round there, and this headlining, which I was a bit uneasy about moving, I've managed to get a little plastic tool that came with the Nextbase dashcam, prise it open slightly, and I've managed to push the wire in there out of sight. So as a little update, I just wanted to show you with a little bit more thought and a little bit more effort I've managed. So there's my dash cam, a little bit of tape there, it goes up into the headlining all the way along there. As you can see, the wire's just showing there because I didn't want to really pull this trim too hard, because obviously for that reason. And I managed to tuck it in there and then all the way down that rubber seal. So now it's a hell of a lot neater than what it was. Right, there we go. There's a couple of clips of the first few days of me using the dashcam. Keep an eye on the red car in the middle lane. Slows right down to almost stopping, cutting me up in my lane, and then goes for another cut me up again. No indication, no nothing. And when I look back in the rear view mirror, they'd actually stopped dead in the middle of the road. Here's another one, wandering all over the road. Last minute braking, last minute indicating, no idea where he's going. And then this guy here, I've paused it here just so I can show you. He didn't even look pulling out there. This is where the recording started, so you can't really see the lead up to it. But he just pulses out. Imagine pulling a Caravan when he does that, and it's in the wet as well. So thanks very much for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, ta-ra.